What's going on, YouTube? What we're doing today is we're replacing the voltage regulator on a 2016 Polaris Sportsman 850. I normally don't make videos of us working on something, but I was trying to find the video of it being done and I couldn't find one, so here it is.
Don't drop that nut.
It's on right there on it.
Did you see where it went?
Yeah, it's right there.
Huh?
Yeah, it's in here.
I see it. No, it ain't. It's right here.
Fell off the net. What the four-wheeler actually initially started doing was I went riding on a probably about like a 50-mile ride, and I come back home, crunk it up a week later, and it would ran for about 30 seconds and it died. So I crunk it back up, did the same thing, and it flashed a code OV17.4. And what I assumed that was it was giving it too much voltage and it was shutting it down. So I kind of went a shot in the dark and ordered a new voltage regulator. You really should get an ohm meter and test them before you go and spend your money. But this bike has got 5,500 miles. I bought it brand new March 2016. It's currently 2018 in May, so it's gotten its use out of it. I would highly suggest someone to buy one of these four-wheelers. This is actually the first problem I've had out of it, other than replacing the bearings and changing the oil. The wire's going to come straight through the middle of the four-wheeler. And it's going to go out the driver's side. It comes down to right here. As you see, I already got it unplugged and pulled out, but this is where you're going to be looking. Teamwork's dream work.
This one came. You took that one off the battery, didn't you?
Yeah. The nuts in the battery. He's actually having to hold it with both hands from the front.
ring light on.
Be sure to put that on the connectors. You know, sometimes I could smell gas. Remember when we were riding and I kept saying I was smelling gas? I wonder if that had something to do with it.
No.
It was mess of kicking that fuel pump on and on.
This ain't gonna be interesting. I need a deep well.
Need a what?
A deep well, but you ain't got one. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can. You can get a wrench with it. What size is it?
No, we ain't getting no hands on that.
Yeah, what size is it? I'm gonna try it. A 10.
I got it over
You
here.
got a 10.
I don't think it's gonna go on there, man.
Or I tell you what, if we can.
Yeah, we will too.
Yeah, there you go. If I say if that wouldn't work, you could jam a screwdriver in there, big flathead. Oh fuck. And that was the
Battery bolt.
battery terminal screw. It was, or bolt, whatever you want to call it.
Light down there. Hold the light still for a minute. I'm looking. I see it.
Alright.
It landed right there on the front diff. I mean, just perfect.
Alright.
I'm getting no more lucky than that.
I put mine back in there. Just go and screw it in the battery. While we wait. We need to figure out where these. I like how they's got that braided line on there. That is nice. The stock is. I don't think is as high as quality. I didn't even know that was there. What is my brake fluid?
Yep.
This is good. Like I said, I haven't had no issues out this four-wheeler, other than this voltage regulator. For 5,500 miles in 2 years, that's damn good. Let's wait till we plug it in to hook the ground up. So that way when we're running it through there, if it nicks something. Which if it does that anyways, we're screwed either way, but.
Alright.
Let's see where it's probably got some. Alright, just pull it on through.
You gotta remember exactly where they went through, Mark.
Yeah, I see
I
what.
can tell you now, this
I might
right
need to
here,
take
we're gonna have
this.
to go. We're gonna have to take this off.
That's what I was about to say. That and then something else. Look at this. How is this going? This is holding something together.
This is the only thing I think we're gonna go. Alright. I think we can get it through there now. What we hung on down there?
Come on with it. See, look, there's a plug for your air box.
What am I hung on?
Oh, it's actually up in here. Push it back down. Let me see what I can see. No, I can't see it at all. Oh yeah, I can. It's hung on this air box.
Alright, let me get down there and see.
I got it.
Huh?
I got it. Alright. Good eBay for it. $100 bill compared to the Polaris dealership on at $275. No, actually, this ain't eBay. Oh, this is Amazon.
You remember where that went through?
Mm-hmm.
You get it? I can't even see it right here. I'm gonna have to.
No, I can't see it at all. Tell you what,
Alright, you might.
if we had a coat hanger
You might get it now.
and a piece of string,
Hold on. Give me a second.
I see other stuff moving, so it's doing something.
I can't see down there with the light down there.
Can you see it now?
You can't see it? Mm-mm. Let me get down here and see if I can see it.
Oh yeah, no, it ain't nowhere near it.
Well, I was just looking right here on this air box to see what it takes to get it off, but I don't think we want to do that.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bunch to get it.
Maybe if I go in right here. Oh yeah, there we go. Can you see my hand? If you can get it to my hand. Can you see my hand? See my finger there?
No.
It ought to have to come through right here somewhere. I can't believe you can't see my hand. If you can get it to my hand, we're home free.
I need something to push it with.
Screwdriver right here. Won't that my hand?
That's it.
You got it?
Yeah, it should be on through there now.
Is this it I got in my hand? And I'm wiggling?
Yeah, that's it.
Push it down in there with screwdrivers a little bit more. Just a little bit.
That's it. That's all of it. Yeah. Or no, it's not, because it's all balled up in a ball down here.
That's probably why I can't pull it. I got a grip on it. I just
Let me
can't.
pull this back up.
But it's just my fingers.
Can you do anything with that? I tell you what, pull your hand out and just wiggle it, let your blood flow and everything for a second.
Hold on, let me get this clip right here. That's what's digging in my arm.
Yeah.
The clip is digging into my arm. Pull it up just a little bit more. Easy. Oh. All right, now take your screwdriver and try to push it back down through there.
Okay.
All right, I got it. Boy, that was a little bitch, wasn't it?
Hey, let's put that grease on there.
Did this have a snap in it when you unplugged it?
Yeah, this right there is snapped. Yeah.
No, I'm talking about a zip tie. You should have had a zip tie through there.
No, it didn't.
It needs a zip tie because it'll come back unplugged. Yep, you need a zip tie that goes right through there.
Okay. Yeah. Positive.
That's it. Put that one on first. No, we'll have to put this one on first. see it. You can crank it, but